guys, welcome to my channel. If you haven't seen my face before, my name is Kayla, and I don't know what that was. But anyway, so tonight I thought I would take you guys on my nighttime skincare routine. Now, depending on if I'm doing a mask or not, of course that can obviously change, and sometimes the products change. Most of the products pretty much stay the same, but they can change. I like to try new stuff, so it is what it is. I am well past the time I should be doing this because it is 11:22 right now, and I have my bedtime thing on, and I'm supposed to be going to bed at 11:30, but it's 11:22, so we're not going to be going to bed right about now. But it's okay. If I'm in bed by 12, I'm okay with that. But anyway, let's get started. Okay, so I've got my cat headband on, so my hair won't be pushed back. Not like it's not in a ponytail anyway, but whatever. So I already washed my face in the shower, and I just used this Cetaphil Daily Facial Cleanser, and tonight I used my handy dandy face scrub thing. It's silicone, which I really like. I got this off Amazon. If I can find it, I will link it below. It has a charger with it. It's got cool settings and stuff like that. I don't keep it that high. Sounds like a vibrator. Anyway. But yeah, I do use this. I like it. It's very gentle on the skin. If I can turn this off. The hell? We got it. Okay, so yeah, that's just what I use tonight in the shower. Sometimes if I'm wearing makeup, I'll do like an oil cleanser first to get the makeup off, and then I'll use some Cetaphil, or I'll use like a gentle like face scrub. Tonight we're just sticking with the basics. That's just what I use. First thing I'm gonna do is put some Vaseline on my lips because I don't like my lips to feel dry. And I just brushed my teeth, so that wasn't way too much. This is my container, so it don't matter. Nobody else uses it. Anyway, I just like to put some of that on my lips to keep it moisturized, and I do use this, well, one of these. This is the lip oil I'm using tonight. It has argan oil and vitamin E. I think I picked this up at Marshall's or TJ Maxx. And y'all, if y'all don't go there and look at their like skincare section or makeup section, you are missing out, because they do be having some dope stuff, and I really have an obsession with lip oil, so that's what I'm using tonight. So I got this out of a BoxyCharm box. It's by Farmacy Deep Sweep, 2% BHA. I do need to buy some more of this. I did find this on Amazon, so I'm gonna order that. I think it's like 34, 38 bucks or something like that, but I just put this in my hand. I don't use like a pad, I just really just rub it in my skin on here. Usually in the morning, like I guess sometimes I use it at night, but they Fenty Beauty, what is it called? I'm like having a brain fart. I do use that sometimes. I do need more of that too. I'm like getting low on everything, so. But I do use that at night sometimes, but mainly in the daytime is when I use that. So late at night. Fat water. So once I put that on my skin, that kind of dries down. I do use this, another product that I'm low on, because look at that. By Truly, it's called Purple Rain Glow Serum Facial Booster, and it has retinol, glycolic acid, and antioxidant boost. I do use this. I do really like it a lot. And I got this, again, I got this at Ulta, and I need to go back and get some more of that. I have no idea how much that costs. I also have this Volition Snow Mushroom Water Serum that I do like. Another thing that you can find on Amazon too. I normally just mix those two together. And then put it on my face. Now, I did have like really problem skin as like a child. As an adult, it's not too bad. I may have some like random breakouts. If I do have like big ones, it's usually because of that monthly friend that we ladies get. So nothing too bad. I just have like this hyperpigmentation that I really need to figure out how to get rid of. Other than that, everything else pretty decent, but this hyperpigmentation is really annoying. I feel like one day I should get a facial. I've never had one ever before, so that might be something to do. And try some other stuff. But other than that, I've been drinking a lot of water, so my skin has been loving me a lot. I don't know why I do this, but whatever. Okay, and don't ask me why I use my products. I don't know. It's part of my routine. It seems to be working. It is what it is. You guys don't have to use as many products. You see something that I have that you want to try. Majority of the time I probably got it at Ulta because my daughter's obsessed with Ulta. I'm obsessed with Ulta. We're always at Ulta. So yeah, that's where, that and Amazon. That's usually my go-to. So the next thing that I usually go for, by The Ordinary, I use their hyaluronic acid, and I use their niacinamide plus zinc, and a little bit of this goes a long way, so you don't have to use a lot. So I also mix those together on my fingertips. And then I just kind of like rub and pat that in as well. I do notice that when I don't use these two, my skin, I don't know, for some reason it feels really dry and gets like really patchy, like dry skin patches. So I do usually like to keep that with me at all times. So if I run low, I'll definitely buy more of these. And I'm sitting here looking at my hair. Like, look at all this red at the top and then all this is black. Now I love, at least for me, I don't like when my hair is just literally the same color from like root to end. I like a little bit of my natural root to show. And sometimes a lot of it. It just depends. So, but I'm at the point now where, because it's up in a ponytail, I'm wondering if I should color it again and just kind of have less root. It doesn't look like that when it's down, but you know your hair down and up are like two different things. So I'm wondering, I'm contemplating on whether or not I should like touch it up, but we'll see. That's a whole nother story. And I'm just rambling. All right, so the next thing, now I put this in a spray bottle. Piece of my curly hair. Anyway, so this is just like some essence. I can't remember who this is. Got it. So this is Real Complexion Hyaluron Skin Essence by Hanskin. And I just put it in this little spray bottle just to make it easier. It doesn't really spray, it more like shoots out, so I put it in my hand. Honestly, I don't really have to use this, but because I have it, it's nice to use. I don't know if I would necessarily buy it again, but you know. don't really know much about Skin Essence, but it is what it is. So usually the next thing that I put on my skin is like a facial oil. I have no idea where I got this from. It's just a daily facial oil, and it's got 100% organic rosehip. I probably got this at Ulta, but I honestly have no clue. But anyway, so I usually put this on before I put like my moisturizer and stuff on. I always hear like different stories. Some people say like oil should be the last thing you put on, or you put that on before your moisturizer. I've heard people say it doesn't make a difference. I haven't noticed that it makes any type of difference, so I just put it on after I put all that stuff on. So we just put a little bit, and then I just rub that, and also I rub and pat. That's all I do. I rub and pat all my stuff in to my skin. And of course, the new product I've been loving, I talked about this in my first video. This is a jade roller. Amazing when it's cold. I don't know why it's doing that so hard, but anyway, amazing when it's cold. I love this, so I'm gonna put this on my skin. So the last couple things I do is use this Do Not Age with Dr. Brandt Triple Peptide Eye Cream. And this Cetaphil Rich Hydrating Cream. Y'all, this little container is expensive as hell. Now I like Cetaphil, but this didn't have to be so damn high.
Don't try me. Yeah.
I'm just saying, I think it was like $18 or $20, and I'm like, for this? But we don't use it, and it's very moisturizing, so I'm going to use it regardless. But damn, like you could have given me a bigger tub. But anyway, so we're just gonna put that on our face. Nighttime. I hope you guys enjoyed it. I am going to body butter myself and get into bed and write in my gratitude journal and call it a night. So it's not too bad. We did pretty good. But anyway, so thank you guys for watching. Follow me on the gram. I'll put my IG right here. Please like, comment, and subscribe. And let me know if there's any other videos that you guys want to see. Other than that, good night and see y'all next Sunday. Bye.